Navigating your health, the urgent care advantage. When sudden illness or injury strikes, where do you turn? Discover the convenience and care at Rapid Response. Urgent care. Bridging the gap between primary care and the emergency room, urgent care offers timely treatment for non-life-threatening conditions. Why urgent care? Shorter waits, affordable care, and a wide range of services, all without an appointment. From sprains and cuts to fevers and infections, our experienced healthcare professionals are ready to provide the care you need. Equipped with on-site labs and X-rays, we ensure swift, accurate diagnoses to get you on the path to recovery faster. Not just for injuries and illnesses, Rapid Response Urgent Care also offers physicals, vaccinations, and preventive health services. Choosing urgent care, if your condition is serious but not life-threatening, we're your first choice for fast and effective treatment. Before your visit, bring your ID, insurance card, and a list of any current medications to help us provide the best care possible. At Rapid Response Urgent Care, we believe in patient-centered care. That means shorter wait times and a compassionate approach to your health needs. Our team of healthcare professionals is committed to providing high-quality, comprehensive care to our community. After your visit, we'll provide guidance on follow-up care and how to manage your recovery at home. Preventive tips: stay healthy with regular hand washing, timely vaccinations, and a balanced diet. Your health journey doesn't stop when you leave. Follow us for ongoing health tips and updates to keep you and your loved ones healthy. Rapid Response Urgent Care, your partner in health. Fast, effective care when you need it most. Visit us today. Rapid Response Urgent Care, located at 11901 Shadow Creek Parkway in Pearland, Texas.